Do you want those baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back ribs at home? But every time you make them, your ribs are dry, overcooked, tough, and just plain disappointing. Well, I have a guaranteed recipe for fall off the bone baby back ribs that you can make in the oven. This recipe is easy and quick to put together. The ribs will smell so good while they cook that you'll be salivating long before they come out. Enough talk, let's get started. For this recipe, we will use 2 to 2.5 pound racks of baby back pork ribs, a 1/4 cup of spicy brown mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and 1.5 cups of your favorite barbecue sauce. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse and pat the ribs dry with a paper towel. Remove any silver skin or membrane from the ribs. Split each rack in half so you have 4 big portions. Place each portion of ribs on tin foil. Brush your mustard on the top part of the ribs. Season with salt and pepper. Then wrap the ribs in foil, making sure you seal the edges. Once all the rib portions are taken care of, place them on a baking sheet. Cook the ribs in the center of the oven for 2.5 hours. Take your ribs out of the oven. Carefully open the foil packets and fold them to expose the ribs. Liberally coat your ribs with barbecue sauce. Leave your ribs uncovered and place them back in the oven for 15 minutes. Raise your oven temperature to 400 degrees. For fall off the bone ribs, the internal temperature needs to be 190 to 205 degrees. Start checking the ribs around the 12-minute mark. After 12 to 15 minutes, remove the ribs. After removing the ribs, set your oven to broil. When the oven is ready, place the tray on the top rack right under the broiler for 3 to 7 minutes. Rotate your pan halfway through until the ribs are crispy. Remove your ribs from the oven and put on more barbecue sauce if you want. There you have it, a tried and true recipe for ribs that fall off the bone every single time. I know you'll make this recipe again and again. If you're not sure what to have with ribs, check out these great sides. Have fun cooking! If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For news about upcoming recipes, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.